guys, I'm Aurora, I'm 10 years old, and we've already done a lot of pronunciation rules of the letter G. And we've done the pronunciation rules of the letter C as well. And do you remember I told you that we have the hard sound of the G when it is followed by A or O or U. So when the G is followed by H and I or E, we still have the hard sounds. So G plus H plus E and or I, like E like ghepardo, cheetah, or I like ghiaccio, ice. Do you remember that we have the same rule for the C? Because when the C is followed by H and E or I, E like amiche, and I like chiesa, church. So it wasn't really difficult because we've learned the rules of the C, the letter C. I hope you liked the lesson of today. Put a thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe, and remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!